Leadership is more than just a title. It is the ability to influence and guide others toward a shared goal. At its core, leadership is about influence, not authority. It is how you inspire people to perform their best work. Research shows that the quality of leadership is the single biggest factor in how engaged and productive a team feels. Effective leaders balance clear communication with empathy to build trust and keep the team focused on long-term goals. While managers focus on tasks and efficiency, leaders focus on people and innovation. Both roles are necessary for any organization to thrive. Different leadership styles yield different results. Transformational styles often lead to higher team satisfaction and better long-term outcomes. The best leaders prioritize the growth and well-being of their team, which in turn drives the success of the entire organization. Leadership is a skill you can practice every day. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more professional development basics.